Hi guys, my name is Reika and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a fall lipstick preview for you guys. I'm going to be showing you my favorite go-to lipstick for the fall season. Fall is definitely my favorite season when it comes to fashion and beauty. I feel like that's this season when I do like the most. I absolutely love the warm tones and the neutrals that you get to wear and the vampy lips. And don't get me started on the fashion. I absolutely love wearing the sweaters and the boots and all that good stuff, but today we're focusing on lips. I love a bold lip for fall, so I'm going to be showing you my 4 go-to colors that I like to wear, and this comes courtesy of Colourpop. I'm not sponsored or anything like that, oh god no, I wish, but I'm looking at my go-to colors and I realize that they're all from Colourpop. Colourpop is definitely one of my favorite indie brands of all times, especially when it comes to their lipsticks. I mean, their products are so inexpensive and they're of very good quality. In terms of their liquid lipsticks, they have such a wide collection of colors, so I feel like there's something that everybody can find, something to suit their taste. So all of my fall colors, they are from Colourpop, and I'm going to be doing a swatch and try on for you guys. So of course, if you have some time and you'd like to see how these colors are looking and how they wear on dark skin, please do stick around. So these are the 4 colors that I have to show you guys. Off the bat, I know they kind of look similar, but once you see me swatch them and see me try it on my lips, you'll definitely see the nuances and the little tweaks in either color. And these are all ultra matte lippies, by the way. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is the one called Limbo, and Limbo is a chocolate brown according to the description in the website. I absolutely love this color. I've purchased it 2 times already. It's such a gorgeous brown. Every time I wear it, I get so many compliments. Okay, so this is what Limbo is looking like, and I'm going to go ahead and try it on my lips. Alright guys, so this is the shade Limbo on my lips, and as I described earlier, it's a chocolatey brown. What do you guys think? I know I am definitely in love with this shade. I keep on buying it year after year. I get compliments every single time when I wear it. It's such a gorgeous shade on me. One of the things I really like about Colourpop's lipstick is the fact that it dries down super matte. It doesn't transfer at all. I feel like this is one of those lipsticks that you can definitely wear out to dinner and you don't have to worry about, you know, lipstick getting on your teeth or moving all over your face. It's one of those formulas that I really trust to stay in place when I need it. So yeah, that's Limbo for you guys. Alright, so the next shade I want to show you guys, it's the shade called Know It All, and this one is more of a brick red. I'll go ahead and I will swatch that for you. So this is what Know It All looks like. I really like that, especially for the season. This is such a gorgeous color. Alright, so this is the shade Know It All on my lips, and yes guys, what do you think about it? I really like this color. This one is more of a brick red in color, but I do see a little hint of orange kind of peeping through. This is a shade that I would definitely wear to work, and you can wear out as well. Very versatile shade. It's not too out there. It's definitely something you can get away with wearing to work. So I'm gonna move on, and I'm going to try another shade for you guys, and the next shade that I will be wearing is the one called LAX. I think this is like my favorite fall color of all time. This color, LAX, absolutely love it. You'll see. I'm about to swatch it. You'll see. Look at that. This is like a vampy bold red. Love this color. Absolutely love this red. Sorry, I have to take a picture because I'm definitely feeling myself in this red. Alright, so this is LAX for you guys, and as I said, I absolutely love this red. It's definitely a vampy bold red. I feel so sophisticated, super bougie when I have this color on. Definitely one of those colors I love for like date night. A color like this really helps to pull together a look that's pretty simple or kind of boring, and you just look so much more confident. You just look so much more sophisticated. It's such a sultry color, and because it's such a bold color, you have to have like, you have to be really feeling yourself to rock a color like this. It's one of those colors you can't be shy when you have it on. Definitely top 2, and it's not number 2. So we're gonna wrap this up with the last lippy. It's the shade called Pearl Next Door, and this, it's similar to the one I have on now, which is LAX, but this one is more of like a blood red. So I'll go ahead and I'll swatch it beside the LAX so you can see the difference. So this is LAX right here, and this is the one called Pearl Next Door. So this one has a bit more red to it. This one is definitely on the deeper side. I really love a deep red. I think that looks the best on me. Alright guys, so this is the shade called Pearl Next Door, and like I mentioned, it's more of a blood red. Definitely one of those colors that I really love as well. I think this one I could more get away with for work as opposed to the LAX. I think that one is just a little bit too vampy. So this one would be more of like my work vampy kind of look, and then the LAX is more for like night out with my husband, night out with the girls kind of look, if you know what I'm going for. But yes, all in all, those 4 are my go-to shades for the fall time. Let me know down below which one of the shades I tried on today was your favorite, and if you have any other shades that I didn't showcase today that you like to wear for fall, let me know as well. I would love to try it out. As always guys, I want to thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I really do appreciate it. And if you are new here and you like what you see, definitely hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss an upload. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and with that being said, I will see you in my next one. Bye.